In this Shotcut tutorial, we will show how to speed up and slow down action in a video. We are using Shotcut version 20.01.30. This is the video we are using. It shows a timer that goes from 0 to 20 seconds. We plan to speed up the counter between 5 and 15 seconds, by a factor of 2. We will then slow it down to half speed, as shown in the next section. First we split the clip at the 5 and 15 seconds marks. Then we select the middle clip, display its properties, and change its speed to 2 times. We move the last clip to abut the middle one, and when we play the modified track you will see the increase in speed between 5 and 15 seconds. To make the video run slower, we first move the last clip out of the way, to allow room for the middle clip to expand. Then we set the speed of the middle clip to 0.5. We again move the last clip to abut the middle one. You can see that the period between 5 and 15 seconds runs at only half speed.